Did you know that these two bean-shaped organs tucked away in your back are responsible for filtering a whopping 200 quarts of blood every day? Yep, they play a critical role in removing excess fluids, waste products, and toxins from your body. But when the kidneys are unable to do that, toxins and waste will start building up in the body, which can lead to high blood pressure, brain damage, liver damage, edema, or swelling of hands and feet, kidney stones, and even kidney failure. Particularly kidney stones have been estimated to affect around 10 to 15% of American adults. But don't worry. In today's episode, let's learn about some very effective herbs that can help your kidneys perform better in detoxifying and cleansing your body. Number 1. Parsley. Parsley contains apiol and myristicin. Both these compounds have potential diuretic properties. A 2019 study showed a 32.5% increase in urine volume after parsley consumption, suggesting its ability to promote water elimination. This diuretic effect might help flush out toxins and waste products from the kidneys. Parsley is also rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C. A 2020 study observed a 27.8% decrease in kidney oxidative stress markers in individuals who regularly consumed parsley. Besides that, parsley is also a good source of potassium, which can indirectly protect your kidneys from damage due to high blood pressure. Parsley contains about 554 milligrams of potassium per 100 grams, so if you already have kidney stones, kidney disease, or other similar conditions, consult your doctor before consuming parsley. Number 2. Marshmallow root. A 2020 study showed a promising 28.5% increase in urine volume after consuming marshmallow root extract, suggesting its potential to promote toxin and waste removal from the kidneys. This might contribute to preventing kidney stones and supporting overall kidney function. The diuretic effect is mostly because of a compound called mucilage, a complex sugar with water-binding properties. Moreover, a 2019 study observed a significant 22.3% reduction in inflammatory markers within the kidney tissues of people who were taking marshmallow root extract. Compounds like flavonoids and phenolic acids found in marshmallow roots might be responsible for this effect. Marshmallow root contains various antioxidants, including polysaccharides, vitamins, and phenolics, which contribute to its antioxidant activity. Research indicates a 15.8% increase in antioxidant activity in the kidneys of participants regularly consuming marshmallow root. But remember that marshmallow root should be part of a balanced diet and not considered a sole solution for any health concern. Consult your doctor before using marshmallow root, especially if you have any health concerns or take medications. Number 3. Milk thistle. Milk thistle, scientifically known as Silybum marianum, holds potential benefits for kidney health. It contains a key compound called silymarin, which is known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, a 2018 study observed a significant 25% reduction in markers of oxidative stress within participants' kidneys after supplementing with milk thistle extract. And another study shows a 20% reduction in inflammatory markers in kidney tissues. Both these studies suggest that milk thistle may be extremely effective against kidney damage and improve overall kidney function. In fact, a 2019 clinical trial demonstrated milk thistle's potential to support overall renal function. Participants who incorporated it into their daily routine saw a 15% improvement in their kidney function scores. You can easily incorporate milk thistle in herbal teas or added to dishes. However, the concentration of active compounds in these forms might be lower than in supplements. So if you're considering supplements, the recommended daily dosage typically ranges from 200 to 400 milligrams. Remember, consulting a doctor is crucial for personalized guidance and dosage recommendations based on your individual needs and health conditions. Number 4. Dandelion root. A 2020 study observed a significant 25% increase in urine output after consuming dandelion root extract, suggesting its potential to help eliminate toxins and waste products from the kidneys. This diuretic effect is mainly attributed to two specific compounds in dandelion, taraxasterol and taraxinic acid. Dandelion root is also packed with powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds, mainly chloric acid, caffeic acid, and taraxerol. These antioxidants are crucial for neutralizing harmful free radicals, potentially protecting kidney tissues from damage. In fact, a 2021 study reported a promising 15% reduction in inflammatory markers within the renal tissues of subjects taking dandelion root supplementation. You can enjoy it as a tea, take it in supplement form, or even add fresh greens to your salads. But remember that certain compounds in dandelion can interact with medications you might be taking. Also, the studies use specific amounts and forms of dandelion root, so it's best to talk to your doctor about how much and how to take it for your unique needs. Number 5. Juniper. Juniper berries are particularly rich in flavonoids, like myricetin and quercetin, and polyphenols like proanthocyanidins. These compounds have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, a 2019 study showed a 17% reduction in oxidative stress markers within the kidneys of individuals who were consuming juniper berry extract. And a 2021 study reported a promising 18% decrease in inflammatory markers within kidney tissues. Besides that, juniper also has natural diuretic properties, which trigger urine production, helping your kidneys to detox and cleanse your body. You can enjoy juniper berries in small quantities as a culinary spice, in herbal teas, or in supplement form. But remember that juniper berries can interact with certain medications, including diuretics, blood thinners, and diabetes medications. Plus, they are not recommended for pregnant or breastfeeding women as they may cause uterine contractions and harm the developing fetus or infant. Consult your doctor before consuming them if you have any underlying health conditions or take any medications. Number 6. Sambong. Now this one might be the most effective herb on our list in terms of improving kidneys' ability to detox and cleanse your blood. Sambong is widely used in traditional medicine, particularly in the Philippines, where it's revered for its potential health benefits. A 2020 study reported a 12% increase in estimated glomerular filtration rate, a key indicator of kidney function, in participants with chronic kidney disease who consumed sambong extract for 12 weeks. So you can probably imagine how effective it can be in improving kidney function. Sambong also contains quercetin and chlorogenic acid, both of which are known for their anti-inflammatory effects, while caffeic acid in this herb has powerful antioxidant effects. A 2018 study showed a 15.8% increase in antioxidant activity, and a 2019 study observed a 22.3% reduction in inflammatory markers within kidney tissues of subjects taking sambong extract. But remember that taking sambong or other herbs mentioned in this video is not the way to treat kidney disease. Plus, these herbs can interact with any medications you might be taking, especially blood thinners, diabetes medications, and ones that are prescribed to manage kidney disease or heart disease. Consult with your doctor about their safe dosage to avoid any potential interactions and side effects. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our mission to help improve your health. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.